This is super exciting. We are actually headed off to Chuckwalla to shake this car down. You guys get to enjoy the first moments of firing this thing back up and making some serious power passes.
It like self-aligned.
That's the true width of a U-Haul trailer.
Nobody else does it like you, baby. I can't really show you what's going on over there, but we are out at Chuckwalla shaking this car down. We can't say too much, like I said, but hopefully we'll show you some really good footage of us doing that. Nothing crazy, it's just that all these safety features, when you're tuning, I'm being a little too safe. So I'm gonna turn this back a little bit. That gave me the basis for making this tune so much better. Something's dragging. Something's click, 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 click.
I think your CAN module. Oh. Yeah, we lost our CAN module.
Oh no.
Fuck.
No, I have no way of communicating with that. Okay, it might still work eventually. Oh, it ripped it out of the harness though. Okay, as long as those two wires don't touch. Damn it. Okay, so that's
That's a pretty normal part for us. At the end of the day, if that's the worst thing that happens while tuning this thing, I am perfectly okay with that.
Not sleeping this week, was it worth it?
Yeah. Holy crap, is that amazing! That is amazing! Oh my god. That car is incredible. This is just incredible. I want to take my helmet off for this. This is just ridiculous. Oh my god, I have not been able to experience the creation of mine to that level. The turning, the brakes, like you have to remember each of these pieces are actually custom built. It's not like I can rely on some OEM part, some part from Ford or GM or anybody. I have to rely on my own guess in many ways. And so to see just simply braking at high speeds work is validation for me. And that's the sort of feeling you get when you install a new part, put a new air filter on the car. You get that feeling of, I did that. And this is almost too overwhelming because I did that, but there's so much I did all at once. She sounds wicked, doesn't she? That was only 8,000 RPM. We have another 2,000 RPM to go. I'm gonna give her some beans as I drive by. I must have no transmission. No! Not like this!
I bet Rob never thought he'd see the day where the Insight comes to save him. Yeah, so he said he might have blew the diff. It hit that bump in the road, and that's when it all went downhill from there.
So
Totally
we didn't blow the diff.
Video. That'd be a
We
very
blew
sad video.
an axle.
But this is
Yeah,
part
I
of
thought so,
learning.
too.
This is part of
Yeah,
trying
it's
new things.
impossible.
And even braking.
We weren't even making enough horsepower to blow the diff.
That is
But,
meant for 1,000
we'll look at
horsepower,
this
but
Like, that's almost impossible to blow that diff. But
yeah.
look, it sheared that out. Wow, that is.
Oh wow. Okay. This is a very unique way of introducing the Insight to the world. I love this car dearly. This wasn't intended to happen, but all 60 horsepower of the gasoline motor in this,
is going to be used to pull that. Got that tow hook rated for God knows how little power.
Don't try this at home.
That's the technique thing. See that?
I'm going to just drop the clutch.
I was literally just about to say that, dude.
It's so funny towing a car and inside. With it being billet, that means additional rotary engines.
What are we doing?
Between this whole shoot, we want to show that the cars are no big deal, right? Like the rotary engines just work. So we're going to take these down to Chipotle. Not really noteworthy, but still, the fact that it's not noteworthy is almost noteworthy because that means that they're reliable.
That was the red Mazda that was right here?
That was what?
The red Mazda that was chilling right here?
Yeah, it used to be.
It looks nice now.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, yeah.
They started towing it.
It was red. Oh, my God.
Yeah, yeah.
You remember?
Dude, I was like,
I remember.
red Mazda? I was like, which one? Yeah.
Yeah, we were this close to saying, hey, let them tow it.
Yeah. Really?
No.
Oh, it looks nice, man.
Thank you, thank
It's
you.
a lot better than what it did.
Yeah, thank you for having faith in that.
You're going to see a whole series coming out called American Tuner for Top Gear UK, and super exciting to be able to work with BBC. Hey, that's an absolute honor, but it's so neat because it's also showing us how to make better videos, film better shots about cars. It's also a learning experience for us on how to make better videos, and for me to actually end sentences.